Blue color. Yellow color. Red color. I draw capital letter A. A for alligator. B for banana. C for cherry. D for doll. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grape. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for line. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for pig. Q for coin. R for rainbow. S for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Let's paint. Brown color. A for apple. B for broccoli. C for cherry. D for donut. E for elbow. F for frog. G for grass. Light green color. H for heart. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nut. Blue color. O for octopus. P for peanut. Q for quail. R for ring. S for snail. T for tree. Yellow color. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat, learn. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I meet you next video.